Assalamu alaikum brothers. I hope you are all well. Today we will join you with a new video. In this video we will tell you about DFT Pro. The reason is some of my brother ask me in comments show account info. They think it's a fake crack. It's not working, but it's 100% working. After watching this video you will believe it's not fake. In this video I will show you everything about DFT Pro. So let's get started. First, our DFT Pro loader run as admin. Just click Start DFT Pro and wait for 10 seconds. Now you can go there, you install your DFT Pro. Global cracking team. There is all cracks. Our DFT Pro and run Egsm, run as admin. As you can see, there is a account Wawa duck and password. I can copy and paste. Check account. See, license day remaining 230. It's every time it's 230. It's not come down. When you log in today it's 230. You log in after a week, it's the same. It's not going down. Now click login. As you can see, our DFT Pro is login. Just await a little bit moment. As you can see, every tab is working fine. You see, it's calm down. And my brother asked me show account. There is account info. Now you think I purchase account this one. Now I can again log out, sign out of this account. Yes, and go to DFT Pro folder and run as admin again. And see, I'll put whatever you want. Just copy, paste again, same username and same password. Check account. See, license day remaining 230. Login. As you can see, it's open again. Just wait a little bit. It's loading the tabs. You can see The tab is loading again. Every tab is working perfect. And account info. You can see it's a crack and 100% working. This is the this is not a latest version. Soon we release DFT Pro latest version 3.36. I hope you can understand. If you like my video, just hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. If you want to buy these tools, every details is in description. You can contact me. Thanks for watching.